Welcome to English Daily Chat, your daily boost to speak English confidently.
Good morning, everyone.
Yeah, even a simple talk can change everything.
Today's talk is about emotions, the quiet moments we all feel inside.
So, take a deep breath and join us.
Sometimes, even strong people feel low.
Let's talk about emotions and how to find balance in daily life.
And sometimes, all we need is a friend who listens. Good morning, Mark.
Morning, Lisa.
You look a little quiet today.
Yeah, I guess I'm just a bit quiet today.
Is everything okay?
It's been a rough week.
You don't seem like your usual cheerful self.
I didn't sleep well last night.
Did something happen?
Too many thoughts in my head.
I can tell something is on your mind.
Work's been stressful lately.
Want to talk about it?
I feel like I'm not doing enough,
Sometimes sharing helps.
even when I try my best.
Everyone feels down sometimes.
Sometimes, it just feels like too much.
It's completely normal.
I didn't mean to worry you.
Maybe you just need a little rest.
I just needed some quiet.
Or maybe a good cup of coffee.
Thanks for noticing, though.
How about we go for a walk later?
You're always so kind.
Fresh air always helps me feel better.
Maybe I do need a little rest.
You've been working too hard lately.
A walk sounds nice, actually.
You need to slow down a little.
I miss doing that.
Do you ever take time just for yourself?
You're right. Fresh air helps.
Like watching a movie or reading.
And yeah, I've been pushing myself too hard.
Or maybe listening to music you love.
I forget to slow down.
Music always lifts my mood.
It's just, I want to do well.
I can recommend some songs if you like.
But sometimes I lose balance.
You know, we all have bad days.
Reading or music. Yeah, maybe I should try that.
But they don't last forever.
I used to play guitar a lot.
The sun always shines again.
Haven't touched it in months.
Do you remember when I felt low last week?
Maybe I'll play a song tonight.
You helped me that time.
You know, you're right. Bad days don't last.
You told me to keep smiling.
I remember when you felt sad.
And it really worked.
We talked for hours that day.
So now it's my turn to help you.
I'm glad it helped you.
You've always been strong, Mark.
And thank you for returning that kindness.
Even when things are tough.
It means a lot to me.
You never give up easily.
Sometimes I pretend I'm okay.
That's something I admire about you.
But deep down, I'm just tired.
It's okay to feel sad sometimes.
Maybe I do need to take a day off.
You're human, not a machine.
Tea sounds perfect.
Take a break, breathe, and let it pass.
You always know what helps.
Want me to make you some tea?
Yeah, it's mostly about work.
Or maybe hot chocolate?
Some projects didn't go as planned.
I know you love that.
I felt like I failed.
You'll feel better soon, trust me.
But hearing you say this makes me feel better.
Tell me honestly, is it about work?
You always understand me, Lisa.
Or something personal?
Thank you for being patient.
You don't have to hide it.
I guess I forget to appreciate myself.
I'm here to listen.
You remind me to do that.
You've always been there for me.
Yeah, a quiet park sounds nice.
Let me return the favor.
Maybe we can go there after lunch.
Sometimes a good talk helps more than anything.
I could really use some pace.
We can go somewhere quiet if you prefer.
You're right. I don't have to be strong all the time.
Maybe the park near the library.
It's okay to feel weak sometimes.
It's peaceful there.
And you've proved that friendship makes it easier.
You've been under pressure lately.
Thank you for being there.
Maybe it's time for a short break.
You've helped me more than you know.
Even one day off can make a big difference.
A weekend plan sounds fun.
You know, you don't always have to be strong.
Let's do something relaxing.
It's okay to ask for help.
Maybe a long drive or a picnic.
We're friends, right?
You're right. Small things make a big difference.
And friends support each other.
I can feel my mood lifting already.
You've inspired me so many times.
You always know what to say.
Now it's my turn.
Thanks for believing in me.
How about we plan something fun this weekend?
I'll try to stay positive.
Maybe a short trip.
And yes, I'll smile, just for you.
Or just lunch together.
I'm lucky to have a friend like you.
Sometimes small things bring big happiness.
Not everyone listens the way you do.
You'll smile again soon.
I really appreciate that.
I can already see it coming.
Sometimes words mean more than actions.
You're stronger than you think.
And your words always give me hope.
Don't let this mood control you.
You're right. This sadness will pass.
It's just a passing cloud.
I just need time.
You'll see the sunshine soon.
And maybe more coffee.
Remember, you're not alone.
You know me well.
I'm here for you.
Thanks for cheering me up.
Always.
I feel lighter now.
You mean a lot to me as a friend.
That smile of yours is powerful.
Don't forget that.
It's impossible to stay sad around you.
So tell me, what happened exactly?
Life feels easier when you're around.
Did someone say something?
You're right. Life is worth living.
Or was it a tough day?
Especially with good people in it.
We all have those days, trust me.
And you're one of them.
It's okay to feel tired.
I'll take your advice. Rest, relax, and smile.
You've been giving your best.
I promise.
That's what matters most.
Thank you for being my friend.
Sometimes we expect too much from ourselves.
You make bad days brighter.
But we forget we're only human.
And sad moments lighter.
Be kind to yourself, Mark.
I really needed this talk.
You deserve some peace.
Sometimes simple words heal the most.
I believe in you.
I'll remember what you said today.
And I know you'll be fine.
I'll be okay. I know that now.
Just don't hide your feelings.
You've reminded me of my strength.
Talk to me anytime.
And I'm grateful for that.
You know where to find me.
Thank you, Lisa.
Life isn't always easy.
Really, thank you.
But it's worth living.
I feel better already.
Especially when you have good friends.
Let's go for that walk soon.
You've made my days brighter.
I'll bring coffee.
I hope I can do the same for you.
You bring your smile.
Come on, smile a little.
Deal.
That's better.
Great.
I missed that smile.
You always make life brighter.
Everything will be all right.
I'm lucky to have you as a friend.
Promise me you'll stay positive.
Thanks again, Lisa.